All right, second day after the holiday break, and we are back at them. Afternoon, snowing like crazy, so we got a spot we're gonna go to, some standing beans. Got a crazy southeast wind, so kind of throws a kink. No matter what you think and try to plan ahead, it's just impossible to do. So we're going to the west side, and I think Mama going to the east side, so hopefully between two of us, we will kill something. Got Carl going one way and Jamie going another, so we kind of spread out. Everybody's going east and then southeast. So we got a lot of different farms, different places. We're gonna cover a lot of ground this afternoon. Hopefully everybody be safe and get around. Kill a deer.
I guarantee you all of us want to kill them all. She's gonna kill one.
Bye! Bye, yo! Bye!
Sitting out here in the freezing rain. We got a bunch of snow and freezing. Rain poured out. No deer movement yet. Just hopped up in the blind a few minutes ago. So, ought to be a good night. If this would just slack off a little bit, I think the deer might move. I have not seen any deer today, so they've hunkered down. But that could change as soon as this breaks. I don't know if it'll break this afternoon or not. They're calling for it to back off a little bit, so maybe it'll be enough to get the deer on their feet. If it does, it could be really good. We're sitting over a big bean field right here behind the house, and got a couple of good decent deer right in this area. Got that wind out of the southeast, kind of messed us up this afternoon, forced us to go somewhere we're not used to hunting, so that's always a good thing. You know, get to see new spots, new places. My wife is about a half a mile, quarter of a mile to the east here. She's hunting this big old 8-pointer over there. Maybe she'll get lucky and he'll come out. She's hunting on a cornfield. And then Dustin and Carl, they're hunting on a bean field about 3 miles east of here, southeast. Carl's got a tag, so they're over there on a piece of land that they own. And Jamie, he's hunting about 10 or 15 miles to the east on a good piece of ground we had over there. So, hey, it could be good and it could be bad. I guess we'll see what happens as the day goes on. Right down there on the edge of that field.
This field?
Yeah. His head's down right now. His head's down. There he goes. Oh, wait. That dog's looking at us. What deer is that? You see him?
Yeah.
Oh. They don't never look as big after you look at them for a minute.
tell you, it was a slow
They didn't
evening.
make no decision.
We got Gar Hole.
No.
They told us to go there. It's a good spot. We see that. Just kidding. We picked it.
Hey, I
We
will go
picked
over
it.
if y'all have it.
Yeah, well, be
Got
glad
my
you
hole
didn't.
tonight.
Be glad you didn't. That was Gar Hole Creek.